Let's get you a breaking update because right before the budget is presented sharp at 11 a.m., the cabinet meeting that is scheduled to happen at around 10:15 a.m. This is a routine, a procedure, the SOP rather, if we can call it, is followed, where first the budget that will be approved in this meeting, the cabinet meeting, thereafter it will be produced and it will be tabled on the floor of the House. Let me go across to Akanksha. We have our reporters joining us because here all the action today will be taking place right ahead on the Parliament there. Akanksha, very good morning to you. We have a long day ahead, but when it comes to the budget, lots of things that are lined up even before when the budget is presented. Can you take us through all of those programs and activities, please?
Well, absolutely. Amita, good morning to you too. Just see, half an hour before the budget is presented, that is at 11 o'clock, usually a cabinet meeting which is headed by the Prime Minister is held, where the ministers are in fact briefed about the budget and cabinet approval is taken. So this cabinet meeting will take place around 10:15. But let me take you through what will happen starting 8:30 in the morning. At 8:30, our Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will leave from the residence. She'll go to North Block, where there'll be a photo opportunity with the team that made the budget, and after that she'll go to Rashtrapati Bhavan and then to the Parliament along with the MOS, who is Pankaj Chaudhary, and again a photograph will be clicked. And Amit, over the years we saw those historic pictures with Finance Minister holding the Bahi Khata. In the last few years it has totally gone paperless, with a Make in India tablet that she often holds in her hand when she enters the Parliament. At 10:15 there will be a cabinet meeting. At 11 o'clock she will start her speech and present the budget. So an action-packed day, in fact quite a historic one for the Finance Minister, as she's poised to make history by presenting the budget for the 7th consecutive time. And most importantly, yesterday Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that in fact he described this budget as a milestone budget of Amritkal, saying that this is for the first time in 60 years that a government is presenting the budget for the 3rd consecutive time. So a very important day, action-packed day. At 8:30, Finance Minister will leave from her residence, and at 10:15 we'll see quite an important cabinet meeting headed by the Prime Minister, where ministers will be briefed about the budget.
That is followed on the day when the budget is presented, but this year alone 2 budgets that have been presented. Of course, the one that was presented in February was when it comes to the last budget of Modi Sarkar 2.0, and this is the budget, the full-fledged budget of Modi Sarkar 3.0 that will be presented and will be tabled for the record 7th time by Union Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. So right from briefcase to Bahi Khata to now to the tablet, we are looking at this drastic movement and development that has also been taking place.